orange color, black color, sky blue color, green color, pink color, blue color, purple color. Today we will learn alphabet and shapes. Start with alphabet A. A for avocado. A. B. B for basket. B. C. C for calculator. C. D.
Everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Dolphin.
E-I-E-I-O.
Eagle.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
H. H for horse.
Old
I.
MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-o.
J.
And on his farm he had some ducks. E-I-E-I-o.
J.
With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-o.
This is a circle. Triangle.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-o. And on his farm he had some sheep.
This is a
E-I-E-I-o. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Black color is a
E-I-E-I-o.
star.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Now let's
E-I-E-I-o.
Square. Sky blue color.